All right, you guys, so by now you should have already redeemed your enrollment key and you should be ready to go with Solid Professor. The next step would be to click where it says classes on the top of your dashboard or menu, and you will see a number of classes that are available to you. Your screen will definitely look different. I'm showing you from the teacher's perspective. What you're going to do is you're going to find the 4 courses that apply to your particular period. At this time, you are only required to add 4: Intro to AutoCAD, Intro to Inventor, Spatial Visualization, and Intro to SketchUp. Our very first module is going to be Spatial Visualization, and this module contains a number of lessons that you will be required to complete before a prescribed date. I will give you more information on a Google Doc that I'm preparing, but for right now, I need you to make sure that you add these 4 classes, and we'll definitely be able to add more as we move forward. I hope this helps you, and if you have any questions or concerns, please use the chat under the Solid Professor discussion or module so that we can go ahead and collaborate together in answering questions. Have a great rest of your day, and I hope this was useful.